Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing summary, analysis, poetic devices and theme of the poem The Road Not Taken. The Road Not Taken is a poem by Robert Frost, published in 1915. It is one of the Robert Frost and world's most well-known poems. Now, let us discuss the summary of this poem. The summary of the poem could be encapsulated into few words as the poet is at a road which is getting diverged and he is in a dilemma as which road to choose and which one to leave. So as the poem begins, we get to know that the poet is standing at a road which is getting divided into two. So he is in a confusion or dilemma that which road he should take and which one he should leave. He is quite sad and sorry about the fact that no matter which he choose, there will be one not chosen, as he being one person could not travel both the roads. So the poet is quite sad and sorry about the fact that he cannot choose both the roads because he is a one person and he has to choose one and leave the other. He compares and analyzes both the roads and comes to conclusion to travel on one which seemed less traveled by others and promised himself to travel the other someday. Now the poet decides that he will travel on the road which was according to him less traveled by others and promised himself to travel on the other road some other day. Yet knowing the fact that the one he has chosen might lead to anywhere, so that it would be impossible to come at the same junction again. So the poet is quite aware of the fact that how one path leads to another one, and he has no idea whether he will be able to come back to the same path again, but still he promises himself that he will come back and travel to the other road. The rhymes is in the format of A B A A B, C D C C D, E F E E F, G H G G H. This means that the first line of the stanza rhymes with the third and fourth line, while the second line rhymes with the fifth line. As you can see, in the first stanza, would is rhyming with stood and could, and both with undergrowth, and so on and so forth. So the rhyme scheme of this poem, The Road Not Taken, is A B A A B. Now let us discuss poetic devices of this poem. The first poetic device of this poem is metaphor. The whole poem is an extended metaphor, and the road acts as a metaphor for life. Another poetic device that is used is anaphora. So the word and is repeated at the beginning of lines 2, 3 and 4. Another one is alliteration. So alliteration is the repetition of a consonant sound in close connection. So wanted where, wa sound is repeating. First for, fa sound is repeating. Though that, the sound is repeating. So the next poetic device used is personification. So the fork or the point where the road is getting divided into two in the woods refers to the life decisions one has to make. So the next poetic device is repetition. So there is a line in the poem, somewhere ages and ages hence. So the word ages is repeated twice. Now let us discuss the theme of this poem. The main theme of The Road Not Taken is that it is often impossible to see where a life-changing decision will lead. Thus, one should make their decision swiftly and with confidence. It is normal to wonder what the outcome would have been if the other road was chosen. So it is nearly impossible to guess that what will be the outcome of the life-changing decision one takes. So the only thing which could be done is one should take their decision with confidence, and it is very normal to think what would have been the outcome or result if the other road or other option was chosen. And to think about this is futile, for it is impossible to say whether taking the other road would have been better or worse. All one can say is that it would have been different. And thinking about this is also useless, as what will happen or what would have happened, because it cannot be guessed that what would have been the result of choosing the other route. It would have been good or bad. Only thing which could be said is that it would have been different from the one which is chosen.